Apisa mag riwruok mar KUPPET e kaunti ma Baringo obwogo mar wedo puonjo koyawo sikul higa manyien ponono ni piny owacho kochopo singo mandiko jopuonj mag JSS e yo mongirore e kinde morak manomigi gi piny owacho chiegni rumo. Ka giwuoyo e wachni, jagoro maduong' mar KUPPET bade ma Baringo Zakari Nyomboi olero ni ok giikore mar dhi nyime kod puonjo ka piny owacho kochopo singogi kendo chulogi manosara mar Sh17,000 dwe ka dwe. Nicholas Keror omedo kowacho ni piny owacho ondik interns te mag JSS mantiere orak eka mondo mi gidhi nyime kod ndiko ji mamoko.
We want to tell Teacher Service Commission, you cannot give us conflicting stories all the time that the teachers cannot be confirmed unless Parliament approves a budget. We are telling you, can you confirm our JSS teachers who are on internship? You know the suffering they have. You cannot pay an intern teacher 17,000 shillings. Yet, even previously we had complained a lot. If you were bright enough, you could have even increased that money to 40,000 so that we can say internship is something that you can be proud of. As we speak right now, these are science teachers. They are science teachers and they are now the engine of STEM. And you are here demoralizing them.
The stipend that we get, the one that they are saying wanatulipa vizuri, ati kuna wengine hata hawana hiyo pesa, wako wanapata zero, si tunapata. We are privileged. No, we are not. We did not beg for internship. We want confirmation. 17,000 cannot feed a family. We have young families. We are young, we are starting families. Ukilipa rent, ulipe house girl, you cannot even buy food. You cannot have transport to go to work.
17,000 shillings for sure. It is not enough for a person who has a family, a person who is paying fees, a person who has just begun in his profession. So we are demanding that government must take up this work seriously. 70,000 shillings is just equivalent like an airtime for a member of parliament.
And it's quite unfortunate that the government who signed the contract with the same teachers, they don't want to honor what they said at the beginning of signing of the contract.